goodness no. He kept singing the song and singing this song. I love my blue shoes, I love my blue shoes, I love my blue shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of mud.
Huh.
What color did his shoes turn? The color did brown. If he tried, goodness no. He kept going along and singing a song. Goodness. Oh no. This is not oh no. Look, it's got all the colors out. See all those colors right now?
Yeah, Pete stepped in a bucket of water.
Oh no. Pete stepped in a
Bucket.
bucket of water.
And all the brown and all.
No, and all the blue and all the red and
Were
off.
washed away.
Washed away.
What color were his shoes now?
White.
But now they were wet.
Wet. White and wet. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. He got going along and singing his song.
Rock and roll.
I always say rock and roll when I like to sing the songs.